Hello everyone, I'm still trying stuff out, so this time you get my voice! This time around we're going to be making an artifact that applies all status effects in the game whenever you cast a spell. It's kind of a memey effect if I'm being honest, but that just makes it all the more fun. One thing I do want to note before we start is that I can make it work with just vanilla status effects really easily. It's like, I just get a list of effects and apply them. But to add the extra challenge, I want to make sure it works with all status effects, so if you have a mod that adds in its own status effect, that'll be slapped on there as well. Now, this will mean that I won't worry about balance at all, so you'll see what that entails later. And I have an idea of how to go about it, but let's see how it goes. So here's the plan, at least as of right now. Activating an effect on spellcast from an artifact is really easy. It's built into the base game, and applying effects from an activated artifact is also really easy. I just need to figure out how to get a list of all the status effects to apply. So as I was saying earlier, if I only had to do vanilla effects, that would be easy, but modded effects makes it a bit more interesting. It's all in one data structure though, so theoretically it should be easy to get to. Starting off, let's just make our files, artifacts.xml and artifacts.lua. To get some code in there, let's just yoink from the base game's XML. And a gem should be fine. Pop in the trigger and Lua effect. Add the artifact to a loadout temporarily to make testing easier. And now to make our function. I just need to access that list of effects. I'm pretty sure there's a way to do it here somewhere. I don't have access to the enum class from Lua. That means I can't access the list of statuses how I thought I could. It'll be fine, I'll figure something out. Maybe this will work? Nope. 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 Budget, I'm gonna do it the jank way. Since in enum, the data type status effects are stored in is really just an integer with wrapping paper, I can pass an integer to anything in enum and it'll just work. Let's just add all statuses until it fails. Okay. So it works, but I don't really like the fact that every time you use it, it errors, even if that's intentional. You know what? Let's scrap this and actually do it the right way. We're using Harmony. Okay, so the setup for Harmony modding is a lot more complex, but it's super powerful once you get going. Just get Visual Studio, start a project with this version of .NET, add the DLLs to your project as dependencies, and you're good to go, honestly. The plan here is to create a function that Lua can access that returns a list of all status effects. I'm just going to yoink the basic setup of the function for my code in more Lua power to save some time and explanation, but that still leaves us with the function to create. I want to return a list of values to run into the function, so in the end, all I need to do is to call enum.getValues to get that list, and then organize it correctly for the Lua side. From there, I just need to make it work with the Lua. I said make it work with the Lua. How did I do that again? Okay, there we go. Hey, those are the effects! Now for art. I went for a Pandora's box look for obvious reasons, but other than that there's not too much to say. I'm not good enough at art to explain it, really. I'm just gonna let the sped up version speak for itself. Well, that's all for the video. The links to the mod and mod submission form are in the description. Have a good day!